Hi, I'm David Mazouz, play Bruce Wayne on Gotham, and inside this box is the script for the Season 2 finale. I am so genuinely excited to read this. People have been talking about it on set for days, but I haven't had a chance to read it yet because I wanted to do this reaction video. Here we go. If you have a heart condition, trouble breathing, or anxiety, do not read. This is what a Gotham script looks like. Here we go. Oh. Clayface Gordon is pretending to be Gordon. Oh, this is tense. This is really tense. Lucius and Bruce, how are you gonna get out of this? This guy's psychotic. Jeez, Nigma's really starting to get on my nerves. Oh, Gordon. He's gonna tell Strange everything he knows. No! Jim, you can fight this. Jim, you can fight this. Come on, Jim. Oh, you can't fight this. Oh, no! What does Strange want? He doesn't know anything. Leave him alone. No, you can't die. The white hair woman. How is this gonna... Oh my god. Okay, good. Good. This is good. Come on, Selena, help. Please help. Good girl. They have no idea how they got there. There's a bomb, and they're locked up in a cell together with shackles. It's not Gordon. It's not. Alfred, you're smart. You can do it. Okay, breathe. Alfred! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, come on. Oh my god. What just happened? What? I don't know what just happened. That is so cool. This is an episode worth watching, guys. Oh my god.